Last year's winner Adam Levine took himself off the market in July when he married Victoria's Secret angel Behati Prinsloo. Adam told ET he knew right away Behati was the one.
Don't you just know? I mean, it's that simple, right? I don't think that I had to think about anything.
George Clooney also took the plunge this year. In September, British lawyer Amal Alamuddin made an honest man out of the former two-time Sexiest Man Alive winner.
Brad won twice. Talk to Brad.
George's pal Brad Pitt is also a two-time honoree. The pair have had a long-time rivalry for Sexiest Man Alive.
Who did this to you?
That's Pretty Boy Pitt did that. Yeah, he's got, raising children and wife. And so I sit around going, how do I get that guy back?
But in perhaps the sweetest act of revenge, Pitt beat Clooney to the altar. In August, he married his longtime love, Angelina Jolie, in an intimate French ceremony. 2003 and 2009 Sexiest Man Alive, Johnny Depp, got engaged to his Rum Diary co-star Amber Heard earlier this year.
Some guy's got to lock this down now.
Right?
And 2 years since Ryan Reynolds was People's Sexiest Man, he married his Green Lantern co-star Blake Lively and is now preparing for his next big role, First-Time Dad. Which Hollywood heartthrob could be named the next Sexiest Man Alive? Our money is on Chris Pratt. His Parks and Rec co-stars agree.
Everyone in the cast has been sexiest, and it's his time.
What is it about him that's so sexy? His face and body.
If you told me I was gonna be on like Soldier of Fortune magazine, I would do a backflip.
All right, I want to know, who do you guys hope wins the honor? Time will tell when People's Sexiest Man Alive is announced tonight on Jimmy Kimmel Live. For ET Now, I'm Denny Directo.